Why does dantes sound sad? You want to know what it's like? Imagine you meet a girl. She's beautiful, nice, smart, has ambitions, right? Works on herself every day, has hobbies, has a close friend group of like other girls who they're all like on the same wavelengths. They don't party, they don't go to clubs, right? They're just all like kind of doing that thing. And you meet this girl, right? And it's like you're getting to know her, right? You're getting to know her. You're both laughing at each other's jokes. You're going out every night, exploring the city together. Dinners at restaurants, right? Watching movies together, all that kind of stuff. And then it's like one day you look at her after you bring her to the mountaintop and you lay out a picnic blanket and there's stars in the sky and you look at her and you say, "So what are we?" And then she looks at you and she says, "Really good friends." And then it's like someone comes up to you and they're like, "Hey man, what happened?" But it's like, you don't wanna know! It's like I was 85% fucking win rate D2, and now I'm 64% win rate D2, and I would genuinely watch someone get tortured for hours on end if it just meant that I could get a single loss prevented in game.